This Kenmore 36-inch side-by-side refrigerator is perfect for families or anyone looking to maximize kitchen space with a stylish, efficient appliance. Be sure to check the link in the description for the best price and current offers, as this model often comes with discounts that make it a great value. With a generous 20 cubic feet of storage, it easily fits fresh and frozen foods while maintaining a sleek, counter-depth profile that blends seamlessly into your kitchen. The dedicated chill and multi-flow air system keeps groceries cool quickly and maintains an even temperature on every shelf, so your fruits, vegetables, and beverages stay fresh longer. Enjoy instant filtered water and cubed or crushed ice anytime thanks to the factory-installed ice maker and external dispenser, a convenient addition for families and entertaining guests. Adjustable, spill-proof glass shelves stretch from edge to edge, providing flexible storage for platters, jugs, and containers while maintaining a modern look. Energy Star certification ensures energy efficiency, reducing your utility bills while keeping the inverter compressor running quietly in the background. Bright LED lighting illuminates every corner of the refrigerator, so you never have to dig for items again, and the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish keeps your kitchen looking clean and polished. From its frost-free operation to its thoughtful storage design and user-friendly features, this Kenmore refrigerator combines convenience, style, and efficiency, making it a smart addition to any modern kitchen. Whether stocking up for a large family meal or entertaining friends, this appliance delivers reliable performance and makes everyday refrigeration effortless.